come work out with me for 4 weeks in my Back to Basics challenge. I am so excited to tell you about my Back to Basics challenge starting January 7th, 2024. So here's the thing, if you're watching this in real time, it's the new year and we all end up having goals, and many times it surrounds our health and our fitness, and that's a great thing. There's nothing wrong with that. The thing I have a problem with is all the programs out there that make us feel bad or make us join something out of shame or out of guilt. And those should never be a part of how you feel when you move your body. I want you to feel encouraged. I want you to feel empowered. I want you to know that we can meet you wherever you are, whether you are a beginner or whether you are an advanced mover, whether you need some motivation or you're recovering from an injury. We can be here for you, and movement should feel good in your body. And any program that you join or start or try should help you feel better about that. And that's why I'm so excited about my Back to Basics challenge. So what that means is we are doing 4 weeks of workouts and mindset tips to help us build those basics so that we feel a really strong connection to our foundation of believing in ourselves, of finding some joy in movement, and feeling safe in our own bodies. Because when you build that foundation, that's when real change really takes place. You start to have fun with movement. You feel the power of having that daily habit of movement, whether we're doing Pilates or mobility or stretching or lifting weights. All of it will be included to help you feel better and feel stronger in the life that you're living. We always hold our challenges in my Unlimited community, so you can join Unlimited for a month, for 3 months, or even for a year, and you'll have free access to our challenge. Like I said, that's going to include 4 weeks of workouts, plus my entire library of workouts. It's over 400 workouts that you can choose from. You get access to our recipe library, to our community group, to our free app, and members-only podcasts, and so much more. My goal is always for you to feel that movement is accessible to you, for you to feel the power of movement and the power of your own body. I want that for you in the new year. I want it for you every day. And I believe this challenge and Unlimited and the workouts here can help you get there. So we start January 7th, 2024. You can always start a few days late, no big deal. The link to sign up is below. And if you are watching this and it's past that challenge time, come check out Unlimited anyway. We are an ongoing community where you'll always get new workouts, all of my full-length workouts, ad-free, and workouts that I never put here on YouTube. You'll get access to them. And as I said, you'll always have a community behind you, supporting you and cheering you on. I'll see you there.